Hey guys, Frank Minetti, Branch Manager, Advisors Mortgage Group, Freehold. You know, first of all, I want to thank you guys for all your comments and your input across all our social media platforms. But what I wanted to do, I want to clarify a couple of questions that I've gotten by way of, coming to you with this information. So, what I've been getting asked a lot is tax benefits of home ownership, right? So, back a few years ago, the tax codes changed, increasing the standard deduction, right? For married individuals, it's $25,900 a year is the standard deduction. And for a single person, it's $12,950. Now, we always talk about tax advantages of owning a home. And again, I always tell you this, talk to your accountant. I'm not an accountant, but I can give you knowledge on what the tax benefits of owning are. And again, you want a one-on-one conversation with me regarding that, just click the link in my bio and we can take care of that. But so your home mortgage interest write-off at the end of the year and your property taxes go towards or are encompassed in that standard deduction. So people are like, oh man, there's really no reason, it doesn't help me. No, it does, because you have to look at the math. So if you're a married couple, $25,900 a year is your standard deduction. Let's use a real world example, and I'm talking real world from where I'm located here in New Jersey with regard to property taxes. So let's take a $500,000 mortgage at 5%, right? Rates are even a little bit higher than that today, but at 5%, I'm even being super conservative with this estimate. So if you take a $500,000 mortgage at 5% interest, you're going to write off approximately $25,000 in mortgage interest. Now, mortgages are amortized, so every payment you make, a couple pennies more, go towards your principal balance each month. But for all intents and purposes, that first year, you're going to write off $25,000 interest on a 5% interest rate on a $500,000 mortgage, right? But that what? Guess what? It doesn't stop there. You can write off property taxes up to $10,000. And mortgage interest we just talked about, but that can be written off up to $750,000, right, on primary residences. So now you've got $25,000 in mortgage interest, you've got $10,000 in property taxes. Guess what you just did? You exceeded the standard deduction. Now what are we going to do? We're going to itemize. But you might say, well, that's not a lot. Well, think about this. We have other items that can be itemized. You got kids, you got a family. Guess what you probably have too? Unreimbursed medical expenses that can be written off. You got charitable contributions, right? You got other categories like childcare that you can write off. So the majority of my clients, once they buy a home, are itemizing their tax returns. They're not taking the standard deduction. Now take it back. That same mortgage, $500,000, 5%, $10,000 in taxes, right? $25,000 plus 10, $35,000. If you're single, the standard deduction is $12,950. You're way past that. You got to itemize then, right? And take into consideration every single benefit you can inside the IRS policies and codes to itemize, right? Standard deduction is great. It did double a little bit, when the tax code was changed a few years back, but it's also eliminated some stuff. So you want to take advantage of every tax benefit you can. And home ownership will help provide you with a source to keep money in your pocket. Again, click the link in my bio. We want to talk one-on-one. We'll give you more information. We'll include your accountant, your financial planner into the mix. We'll have a conversation with them. I was just speaking the other day. I had a meeting with a financial planner I've known for several years. And the reality is many financial service professionals do not know or understand the benefits of home ownership. And they need to, right? Because this is all part of long-term wealth creation for you, right? And we're going to talk about that in an upcoming video. So you guys want to look out for that, how to create wealth through purchasing investment properties. So again, click the link in my bio. This is Frank Minetti, Advisors Mortgage Group, Freehold. We look forward to hearing from you, and we want to answer any question you have.